When people got injured in the past, we made large incisions and did big surgeries, and although people did well, the amount of recovery time was dramatic. And as we learn new innovations, less invasive surgeries, more ways that we can treat people non-surgically even, ultimately it's better for the patient. We've been around for nearly 80 years, which helps set us apart. We take care of multiple sports teams to everyday people. We provide access to patients through multiple offices. Every doctor here is fellowship trained.
Jewett's a special place, and I think what excites me about working here and being a part of it is we're all subspecialized, which is interesting. Not many places have doctors that are so specialized, meaning 5 doctors that take care of hand to elbow, 5 doctors that do spine, 3 or 4 doctors that do sports medicine injuries. I only do hips and some fracture work, knees and ankles. So we are very specialized in what we do, which is exciting.
The pain and discomfort just become so much a part of my life that I just didn't realize that this was a problem. So at this point I said, I really need to have something done about it. So that's when I came to see Dr. Crummins. He found that I was indeed bone on bone and probably requiring a knee replacement at that time. Surgery was awesome. My pain was minimal. I do a lot of walking, and I was amazed that when I went out the first time with my knee, it was like, this is not terrible at all. It doesn't hurt, it feels good. And I actually felt the big relief that, gee whiz, I can do stuff and I don't have pain anymore.
People trust the Jewett Clinic, they know that name, and I think patients can trust that we're going to be educated in the most recent innovations and come to an area like Central Florida. Obviously it's a big vacation destination. We've really tried to dedicate easier access to the Jewett Clinic in a big way, not only through our website where patients can go on and learn about us, but also schedule their own appointments. You can do that from anywhere in the world.
The Jewett Clinic sees most of the business that's international. It's incredible how people will fly here from all over to have their knee or hip replaced, and we have the technology to handle it. And they can recover and be in good shape to travel in 3 to 4 weeks.
And I think locally, our walk-in clinics allow better access to patients to have a much easier way to come see us. If somebody gets injured, they don't have to wait. They can walk in that same day.
I've actually lived in Winter Park since 1990, and I've heard about Jewett forever, and I think they have the best reputation. As a matter of fact, my insurance didn't include Jewett. So I actually called Florida Blue and changed my insurance so I could come here because I had known about Jewett for so long. This is where I wanted to come. The surgery is making my life whole again. Like I'm actually active and can do the things I want to do.
I had the surgery Tuesday morning and then was released Wednesday morning, and then the following Monday I was back at work. It was just phenomenal. The pain is gone. I have on several occasions recommended Jewett Clinic to my associates and friends. In my age group, we start to have issues, we start to have problems. So it's better that they go to somebody that's competent, that's reliable, that's going to explain it to them, that's going to be there at the end of the process.
People want to stay active into their later years, and keeping up with the most recent innovations is important to do less invasive surgery, to get people back doing what they want to do much quicker than they used to in the past, and also non-surgical techniques. We're trying to do more and more things non-surgically, but when we do have to do surgery, trying to be less invasive is very important as well.
We have our own surgery center coming. It's going to be 6 rooms. There's excitement because some of this new technology, knee replacement, minimally invasive, robotic assisted, may be able to be done in a surgery center instead of a hospital, which means overnight stay or potentially same-day surgery for a knee replacement. The patients get excellent care and they can go home later that afternoon or possibly in the morning. So we're excited about opening up our doors at our new surgery center. Medicine is changing all the time. I can't tell you over my 20 years of practice how many times things have changed. You have to stay on top of it. We do stay on top of it here, which is fun for the patients so they know they get top-notch care.
We've been around for nearly 80 years, which helps set us apart. People trust the Jewett Clinic, they know that name, and I think patients can trust that we're going to be educated in the most recent innovations.
The surgery is making my life whole again. Like I'm actually active and can do the things I want to do. And if anyone were ever to ask me, hey, where did you get your knee done? I would highly recommend Jewett. It's been an amazing experience, it really has.
We've really tried to dedicate easier access to the Jewett Clinic in a big way, not only through our website where patients can go on and learn about us, but also schedule their own appointments. You can do that from anywhere in the world.
Medicine is changing all the time. I can't tell you over my 20 years of practice how many times things have changed. You have to stay on top of it. We do stay on top of it here, which is fun for the patients so they know they get top-notch care.